So one of the issues I've had on my previous rig is scratching of the inside of this door. So what I plan to do is take some of this 3M clear film, which you might be familiar with on the front of a hood or a car, things like that. So it's just a 3M clear protective film. I'm going to see how that works out. So first test install went pretty well. I cut the corners a little bit too weird, or not perfectly straight, but this will keep this door from getting scratched up. And this stuff is pretty easy to replaceable. It sticks on there well, but it's not something that's that can't be replaced. So as this gets scratched up, I can easily replace it. Now I got 2 more doors to do. I've already added these to the other trailer, so you've seen these before if you've watched our videos from any time, but I've got the new shiny locks here, all individually keyed. And if you don't recall, all new Airstreams come with a lock key out here. This is called a 001 key, meaning the serial number on the key is 001. That same 001 key is on all Airstreams, newer model Airstreams. And so if you can get in your compartment lock, you can get in any compartment lock. So that's why I like these, because they're all individually keyed. And I have 3 on the old trailer, and now 6 on this one, because it has 3 doors, two on each side and 1 in the front. So now I have new shiny pretty locks on the new trailer. I'm going to put these in real quick. If you are going to order these, links down in the description below, but it's a very simple process to put on and off yourself. The instructions that come with it are very thorough. I failed to read them the first time and left off a gasket. A little gasket goes around the back, but that's okay. I was able to fix it pretty quick. But they come on and off pretty easy. Hardest part is setting them up so the depth of the hook that goes under here is appropriate. Just like that, they work. Now I'm going to tighten them down. The biggest issue is getting this the right height, so when you turn it and lock it, it's able to turn one but lock against the other 2.